Hi all, welcome back to Guide to Solidworks. This is just going to be another quick 5-minute takeaway-ish to give us an idea or another practice of using the sketch tool to use one sketch to do multiple extrudes. So here we're going to use this simple shape and have a go. Again, this is a great little exercise for people that are beginning using SolidWorks, just to get used to creating multiple different types of shapes and using new tools. So let's jump in. Okay, so let's just start modeling this one. So we are first going to go onto the front plane. So I'm going to sketch on the front plane. And I am going to create the outline for this shape. So sketch on there, get my rectangle, and I'm going to create the background for it. So this will be 50 long. And it's going to be 40 high. Now from there, I'm just going to move this in so we're a bit closer. From there, what I'm going to do is I'm going to extrude this, and I'm going to extrude it out by 30. So features, extrude, and bring this out 30. Like so. Okay, so now I've got this, I'm going to do my cuttings to the top. And again, I'm going to use multiple sketches for this. So sketch on that top surface, like so. And I'm going to create a cutting here. Now, I want to create this shape across here. I'm going to create this triangle in this corner here. I also want another line across here, like so. Okay, now that's giving me that basic outline for that. I also need 2 lines going across the center here. So let's start on this side, and I'm going to go straight across to there, and straight down to there, like so. So I've got all the lines in there roughly. I just now need to put some sizes to them. So the gap between them two needs to be 10. I'll put a connecting line between the end of them, there. And I am going to find that point there, this line, and I'm going to go for the midpoint. That just pulls them into the center of the top of here. So if I look from the top, just hit spacebar, and that'll give me my views. I can see from the top there that I've got that lined up. Now my next bit is knowing the distances for this section here. So at the bottom here is going to be 20. So from there to there is going to be 20 along. And from there to the corner here is going to be 30 along. Like so. To the side is going to be 20 from there. Value in there. So now I've got them 3 sketches, or them 3 sections of my sketch, to fully dimensioned or fully defined. So all the lines have gone black. Now, once I've got it fully defined, I can start to extrude. So I'm going to come out of there, click on the sketch, and I'm going to cut into this. Now it's not picked up, other than knowing that I want to use this sketch, it's not picked up at any areas to actually cut out. What I need to do is come down to the bottom here and select the contours I want to remove. So I'm going to start off by taking away this piece here. And I'm going to go 20 down. So if I bend that around slightly, you'll see it's now 20 down into the model. And I'll just put that into an isometric view so you can see, like so. And I'm going to repeat that again. So I'm going to click on the sketch that I've just used there, and I go to cut again. And this time I'm going to click that second contour. And this is going to go 30 down. So change that to 30 and cut that a bit further down into it. And the last bit now, click on the sketch again, is just this piece across here. So again, cut, click on that section, and this time I'm just going to make that 10, and I get that cut through there across the top face, like so. I'm just going to add an appearance to this, so change the appearance, go to the body, and let's make it a nice reddish color. Oh, try that again. To the body, and let's go that nice reddish color there. Tick there. Okay, so that's just quickly running through again a second tutorial of how we use the sketch feature to produce multiple extrusions or cuts just from a single sketch. Hope these tutorials are helping. These are just little 5-minute takeaways to get you understanding some of the tools within Solidworks. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.